Hi Aries, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a mid-month reading for December. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies for you for the remaining part of this month, and we'll also check what are the messages that we have for you. So let's quickly begin and see what we have in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Ten of Swords, Ace of Swords, and the World card. Now, Ten of Swords means you feel backstabbed. There could be something which is making you believe, or at least you're feeling that there's something or somebody who has backstabbed you. It could be anybody. It's not necessarily your partner. It could be somebody within your family, your friends, somebody from office, but you're getting that feeling of being backstabbed. Okay. The second card that I see for you is Ace of Swords. Now, Ace of Swords means a new beginning. So you're looking for a new beginning, and that new beginning will only happen after you have a very honest conversation about something. Now, the third card that I see for you is the World card. Now, with the World card, it means that there is some old chapter that you need to close in order to, continue or begin a new chapter. Now, let's quickly see what are the clarifying cards that we have for all these three cards. So, for Ten of Swords, let's see why we have Ten of Swords here. Now, the clarifying card is the Strength card and the Three of Pentacles. Now, for some of you, this could be relationship based, because with Three of Pentacles, it could involve a third party situation, and that's where you feel backstabbed, and it will take a lot of strength and courage with that Leo energy to deal with that situation. Now, we'll also go ahead and see why you have the Ace of Swords. So the first card is Page of Swords and the Seven of Cups. Now, for some of you, okay, you may be dealing with a lot of people, because Seven of Cups shows options. You had many options and you went ahead and you explored those options. The second card is Page of Swords. Again, it's an immature energy, but with Swords energy, it shows that there is something you need to talk about. There's something maybe that you are hiding, something that you have not discussed with your partner, and you need to talk about it. Now, with this, let's also go ahead and see why we have this World card for you. So let's take a clarifying card here. Alright, the first card that I see is the Devil card and the Eight of Pentacles. Now, with the Devil card, it means that there's some negative energy, something that is negative around you. It could be a person, it could be anything like sex, drugs, alcohol, and you need to come out of it, because the World card shows that you have to break that old cycle. You have to come out of that cycle, and that's when you can begin that new cycle. And your third card there is Eight of Pentacles, which means you have to put in a lot of work, a lot of effort, and only then things will work out for you. Now, with this, let's see what is the message we have for you for this particular video. So the message that I see for you from the Moonology Oracle deck is surrender to the divine. This means that you don't need to go ahead and get stressed out. Just surrender to the divine. Believe in the superpowers, okay? Believe that there's somebody who's going to take care of this situation, and things will work out for you. So just let go at times. Don't be in that control freak energy where you want to control everything. Just let go and let things happen the way it is supposed to happen, and I'm sure things will work out. Now, that's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.